Hey guys, you don't have a mixer but you want to eat donuts, you're craving donuts. Gather around, let us make this donut with hands. First, I sieved 2 cups of flour, added 4 tablespoons of sugar, I added powdered vanilla flavor, added 1 teaspoon of yeast and a little bit of powdered milk. I'm going to gently stir this and combine everything together. Then I'm going to go in with 1 egg and warm water. Room temperature water is fine, okay, for this recipe. You don't need hot water, you just need room temperature water. I'm going to combine this with my hands. Guys, there's work in making donuts with hands, so and unfortunately sometimes it might not just turn out well, so I'll tell you what you should be looking out for to get the perfect donuts if you're making this with hands. So I'm going to knead this for some time on my working surface. I'm going to knead this with extra flour, a little bit of extra flour, not so much. About half cup of flour will do for you to knead this donut together. Keep sprinkling and kneading. You should knead this for about 30 to 45 minutes if you're using your hands. You want to add in your butter at this point and keep kneading. There's something you're going to be looking out for while you're kneading this donut. By the way, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for your support. I love you. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for viewing. Share this video to your friends and family. So this is what we are looking out for. We are going to be repeatedly doing the window pane test. You want to stretch your dough to see how transparent enough it can be for light to pass through. If it's tearing, just know that your dough is not yet ready. You have to keep kneading until you stretch it enough for it not to tear fast. So what I'm going to do to help me get this faster is to beat my dough on my work surface just the way I am beating it. I will knead and beat. I'm going to do this for about 5 to 10 minutes so that my dough becomes stretchy and elastic. So you can see how smooth this dough is already looking. We are going to repeat the window pane test again for this dough, and this time around you can see it doesn't tear so fast. So my dough is ready at this point. If you're kneading this with a mixer, it's going to look much more better than when you're doing this with your hands. But notwithstanding, we can still achieve this with hands and still get the donut that we want to enjoy, the donut we've been craving for. So you can see how stretchy this is. It is not tearing so fast. So let's go into dividing our dough. I am making all this at home, and if you don't have scale and you don't have all this equipment, this channel right here is here to help you. I'm just going to use my kitchen knife to divide this dough. I'm going to divide it evenly as possible as I can divide this dough. I divided this into 8 doughs, so I'm going to go into molding the doughs into balls. You want to mold this with your hands and your fingers and your palms. You want to remove the air that is in this dough, and we want to seal up the edge so that when we are frying, it does not open. You might have failures, but don't worry, keep doing this, keep trying repeatedly, and you will get the perfect dough the more you keep trying. So I'm going to knead the whole doughs into balls. I'm going to mold them into balls, set them aside and allow them to rise and double in size. Then I'm going to go right into frying this dough. I'm going to heat up my oil a bit, and then I'm going to fry this dough. Now for the frying, these are pillow donuts, and there is a trick to this. You want to fry this dough for 6 minutes, guys. Make no mistake about it. If you don't want those that are not done, you want to fry this for 6 minutes. Fry one side for 3, flip to the other side and fry for another 3 minutes. You should do this on very low heat, guys, on very low heat. If you even need to take it out from the fire, go ahead and take it out from the fire at intervals. But you want to fry this dough for 6 minutes so that the inside gets done. And this is the outcome of our dough, guys. This is how the inside looks like. I enjoyed those donuts with tea. You can enjoy those with yogurt, and this is just an easy handmade donut. Till next time, guys. Bye.